Hello everyone, here's a small video on using Microsoft Cloud App Security combined with information protection labels and SharePoint. What I want to demo in this short video is how you can set up a policy using conditional access from Azure AD and a policy from Cloud App Security to disallow your users from downloading sensitive information. I'll be using Cloud App Security. I'll be not going into any real depth on the platform as such because it's very complex, but I just wanted to give you an overview. So let's take a look how this works. Okay, one of the first things we need in order to use Cloud App Security for detecting that content is the ability for your traffic to go through Cloud App Security, and in order to do so we need a conditional access policy. I've got one over here. I've got a couple of them. I use for example Teams using Cloud App Security, and I also have SharePoint over here. So let's take a look at how that's being configured right now. And as you see, I've got a specific user included. That's my co-worker George in this case, and I'll just demo that in a second how he what his experience is going to be. My Cloud App which has been included is SharePoint Online. I can just easily select that from a list. I can also say, well, I just want to have all my Cloud Apps become available through Cloud App Security. For now I just want to use SharePoint Online for this. I don't have any conditions selected. I could have had things like locations, for example, or the device state, which are very enhanced scenarios. For example, if your device isn't configured properly and isn't managed by the organization, then I can block a download from a specific file or sensitivity label. I haven't right now, but that's a possibility. Okay. I've granted access. I haven't included for this scenario any other options for this, just to show you that it works basically on the ladder access control, which is using conditional access app. That's Cloud App Security in my case. I can monitor it. I can block downloads, which is a basic policy to block any download from any location within my targeted app, but in my case I want to use a custom policy, which means that I have to configure the policy in Cloud App Security as well. So I've configured this as well. My policy is on, which basically means right now that if a user tries to, well, George in my case tries to go to SharePoint, he will be redirected through Cloud App Security, and Cloud App Security is going to monitor his his activities within SharePoint for me. Going to Cloud App Security, I've got a couple of policies here already. One of those is block a highly classified document from download. It's a DLP policy. In Cloud App Security you can use templates, for example. In my case I haven't used a template, but you could if you wanted to. The session control, because I'm now going into session policies. My session control type is control file download with data loss prevention. I can also control the upload, as you see, and I can even have specific activities I can block. For now I want to control the file download. I, just to be sure, added SharePoint as well as an app, and my classification label needs to be, in my case, a demo type. Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. Sorry, the Scottish Summit demonstration. That's a sensitive information label I used, a sensitivity label, and I've got some documents there as well. Okay. I'm using the built-in DLP for this, and my actions are to block the download and monitor. The user even gets an email that something has been blocked. So this is the policy from Cloud App Security. So when working together with that conditional access, it should provide my protection. So let's take a look at how that's going to look. I'm going to log in here as George. So okay, I'll pick his account, of course. I'll enter his password, and okay, it's being referred to conditional access because I've got a multi-factor authentication here, and I need to enter the code. Just 1 second for that. Okay, well, he doesn't need to stay in, so sign in. Okay, and now it's being redirected to Cloud App Security. As you can see over here, it's being monitored. So this is the reverse proxy functionality of Cloud App Security. And yeah, just continue on moving to SharePoint Online. No problem with that. What you will notice is that even though I selected a specific URL, in my case a demo site collection I'm using, which is basically sharepoint.com/site/demo, you'll notice here at the top that my URL has been edited. It now contains .eu.cas.ms, which is the redirection basically from Cloud App Security. Okay, let's take a look at my document library. Let me just take a look. Oh, yeah, it's still being rendered. It's still waiting. So let me retry this one. Well, let me retry it again. Oh yeah, that's always when you're doing a demo. Let me just refresh the page. That might work. Yeah, there it is. There it goes. Just a little network hiccup, I guess. Okay, let's see. I've got a lot of documents here over already. Here I've got some which have a sensitivity label, Scottish Summit demonstration. It's credit card information. So let's see if I can download this. Nope, it has been blocked by your organization's policy. So this is basically how it works. But you might say, well, hold on, there is something downloaded. I saw something happening. There was something which was downloaded. And yeah, you're correct. This is the file which is then downloaded. File was blocked, not allowed, original name, etc. So this is, in a nutshell, how you can use Cloud App Security. There's a lot of possibilities there as well. Please note that if you want to redirect your traffic using Cloud App Security, you need that conditional access policy, and when your traffic is being rerouted through MCAS, you got a plethora of options to use to get your infrastructure even more secure. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.